Troy from Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today we're looking at a KitchenAid double built-in wall oven, and customers' issue is that there's no bake or any broil on either top or bottom oven. So what we're going to do is we're going to access the control panel, see if there is a tech sheet in there so we can take a look and see where we should start testing from. Now, to get to the control panel, sometimes there'll be screws on the bottom, the sides, or the top. This one there are no exposed screws, so down at the bottom by the bottom oven there's going to be a screw on each one of these edge plates that you're going to remove. Once you remove that bracket or that cover should pull out and come down, and then you're going to find a screw under the lip at the top. So I've already removed the screws out of mine, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is remove one of the brackets. And now remove the other bracket, pull it out at the bottom, and then it slides down from there. After you remove the two side panels, there's going to be a screw on the outside. You're going to take each one off, and once you remove that, the top face should slide out a little bit, up or out, and come off for you. Depending on how yours is mounted, one side maybe, as this customer's house is next to the refrigerator where you can't reach a screwdriver in there, I use a short little ratchet with a screwdriver tip on it so that I can access those spots. Once they've been removed on both sides, this bottom plate will become free. Just need to watch your cabinets, make sure you can get where you need to be. And this one, the way that it's mounted in there, I actually need to remove the screws holding it into the wall so I can tilt it forward just a little bit. Some you may have to, some you don't have to. Alright, there's usually 2 or 3 screws down the side, same on the other side. I just start at the top, remove the top one all the way, the next one about halfway, there's a third one just loosen a little bit, so you can just tilt it forward a little bit and get the panel off. Once you've got the panel removed, it'll tilt forward for you, and this one does have a tech sheet inside of it, so I'm going to go ahead and access that. Okay, so now once I've accessed the tech sheet, I'm taking a look inside the unit. The tech sheet tells me quite a few things that I can test right from the control panel, what I can look to. But what we're looking at is that we have heat in neither the bottom or top oven, neither broil in top or bottom oven. So you can program the control board to come on, push start, you hear the relays clicking, but it's not performing anything from that point. So I'm just going to test a couple of things as far as the temp sensors to make sure that for some reason both of them aren't out. Test the elements just to make sure the elements are good, and after going through those I'm going to test a sensor, basically a fuse inside the unit, and see from there. And if everything tests out fine, then we're going to look at replacing the control board on the unit. So what I found out is by testing both the fuse for the oven and also the bake circuit, everything appears to be working fine inside the unit. So we're going to go ahead and do is order the control board for the unit and replace it from there. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.